Today is Saturday, the 2nd of August, and I'll be doing a little bit of planting, harvesting, and cutting back some of my perennials. Hello and Assalamu alaikum. If you're new to this channel, my name is Shadia and this is my backyard container garden in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. So these right here are the petunias, the limbo variety, the limbo pink. So they'll be growing 20 centimeters high and 30 centimeters wide, and they require full sun. So I've got a pack of 6 here. So I'll be planting 2 petunias per container, except for this one here. This one I'll be planting 1 petunia, same as the other side as well behind me. So this one I'll be planting 1 petunia because I've got a succulent sitting there, but this one I'll be planting 2 petunias. So let me place all my petunias in correct order. And look at this, very root bound. Alright, so this is how my petunias are all placed. Alright, so I'm done planting all the petunias. And if you have noticed, I didn't add any fertilizers inside my window box containers before planting the petunias. The reason being is because I don't have any fertilizer on hand right now, but I will be giving them a drink of water with fish emulsion to allow or to reduce the transplanting shock that I might have caused or given to them. And I think that will do for a little while until I get to buy fertilizer for my garden. So next on the list, I'll be trimming my Let's Bloom My Mind right here. So let's get started. Alright, so here this is what I've done, and they look quite, this place looks a little bit empty right now. So this is all the mess or all the trimmings from the Let's Bloom My Mind. So after this, I'll just give them a drink with a fish emulsion solution in it, and I think they'll start bouncing back from there. So a few weeks back, I trimmed my salvia, and just right now you can see we're starting to have new growth here, and it's a ton of new growth. All this was not here the time I trimmed it. It was only a few of these leaves and a little bit of growth, but see how much growth I'm having right now. A lot of new growth. All right, so the harvesting, I will harvest later. For now, I think I should pot up my lilies and also transplant or uppot this what is this now? What is this? Foxglove. Yeah, foxglove. So yeah. All right, so I just filled up my container here, and I placed all my lilies in the position where I would like to plant them. And I've got a foxglove there at the back that's looking really amazing. I like the foliage of this foxglove. It's kind of gray looking foliage, silver gray. It really just brings that bold color at the back right over there. And I've got my mums. These mums, I bought them 10 rand. They're coming back. They were on clearance for 10 rand, but now they're coming back. I think they'll be either cream or white, and I'm really loving the combination of these three plants here. This place was completely empty, but now it's starting to come along and look fuller and beautiful. All right, so let's plant these lilies and get to also uppot that foxglove into that container. These lilies, I bought them as bulbs from Hadeco. They were bulbs. So the moment they arrived, I just put them in these containers just to give them a head start before I put them in their permanent place, and I think that worked really well. I think I'll do the same thing for my other lilies. If they have to arrive early before I have access to a container that I could plant them in. This method is really working very, very well for me. At first I was a little bit scared, thinking that these containers will be quite small for the lilies or for one bulb lily, but I think they're just working pretty well. Compost is really wet, very, very wet. See? I'm done with the foxglove as well. I don't know what variety of foxglove this is. It wasn't mentioned on the container. It just says perennial foxglove. partial sun to deep shade. Well, I'm putting it in full shade, in full sun. I'm just leaving it in full sun, and I will see how it does in this area. If it gets scorched or burnt leaves, then I'll have to move it to a much shadier location, or I may even move it a little bit this side, slightly on this corner, because we get a little bit shade here more than there. All right, so I'll be watering these, the foxglove and everything that is planted after the video, but for now let's get harvesting my sugar snap peas. So with my sugar snap peas, I've got 3 types of sugar snap peas. I placed order only for one sugar snap pea, and that is the Cascadia variety. But along with that, I also got in the same pack, I also got the shelling pea. I don't know what variety this is, but this pea is growing really tall. I don't know if you can see, very tall, more than the trellis. Let me show you this one here, how tall this is. Very tall. It's above the trellis right now, way above the trellis. So yeah, it's the same sugar snap pea, the shelling pea. I don't know what variety that is, but with the same pack came this pea as well here. This looks like the Oregon sugar pod snap pea. I don't know how you call that, but it looks like the Oregon variety, the Oregon 2. Yeah, so I've got 3 sugar snap peas in one pack of the Cascadia variety that I placed order for. But nonetheless, I think I'm enjoying seeing the different variation of sugar snap peas and getting to understand how they grow and how to harvest them, when to harvest them. Yeah, this is the Oregon on the trellis, and these 2 trellises here, I got majority of the Cascadia variety. As you can see, most of them are short compared to the taller ones that I showed you right now, because the Oregon only supposed to grow like up to 90 centimeters high, and that's what these are doing. They're growing up to maybe 90 centimeters high. Alright, so this is what I got for my harvest. I can't believe that I got so many sugar snap peas. I've never had such a harvest before in my life. Since I started gardening, this is the most of my sugar snap pea harvest that I've ever had, and I'm really excited for this. I can't wait to try all of them. And as you can see here, there are 3 different types. This is the Oregon sugar pod, and these ones that are quite chubby and fat, these are the shelling pea. I don't know what variety this is. And down in here, these are the Cascadia. So these ones we just eat them right off the plant as is, but these ones you have to first shell them before you eat. So you just have to eat what is inside and not the outer part of the pea. As for this one here, you can eat both the shell and the pea. Yeah. Well, I also have this salad mix here. I was thinking maybe I could also harvest a few of my salad mix vegetable here and make a little bit of salad inside the house for this morning. I don't know, they still look quite tiny to me, but no, let me just leave them for now. Alright, so that's all for today. Until next time, take care and assalamu alaikum. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more.